Welcome, today we're going to show you how to make a joint account in Revolut. So by making a joint account, you can actually share your funds with another person that you like. It could be your brother, your friend, or your spouse. So to do that, the first thing that you need to do is to click on more button as you see from here. After that, the add new account button will appear. You need to click on it. So now you need to find the joint account button. So as I already said, you can share your funds using this account. You need to click on here. And now here it will tell you all the information about this type of account. So it says that an account for two, you will both own all of the money. You can click on continue from here as see. And after that, you need to search for the person. If you have your friend from here on the contacts, you can send him the link to actually join your joint account. And after that, Revolut will make you the joint account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.